In this video we will solve this integral, and this integral have the form some f of x, a function of fx, divided by a quadratic term and a linear term in the square root. And here is a particular example. You can see that fx is x, and this is the quadratic function, and here is the linear function under the root. So for the solution of such kind of problem, we will consider that square root x minus 1 equals to z. You can suppose any variable. Now taking square on both sides, it will be x minus 1 equals to z square, and now differentiate both sides. We will get dx equals to 2z dz, and we have to change the whole function. So we are in need to find the value of x square, 2 minus 2x plus 2. So we have obtained the value of x square. Putting this one on the right hand side, we will get x equal to z square plus 1 and square on both sides. After opening the square, we will get z power 4 plus 2 z square plus 1. And now taking this value on the left hand side, x square is replaced with this value minus 2. This is the value of x, and plus 2 is. Now after simplifying this, we will finally get z square plus 1. Now we will substitute these values in this integral, and this integral will be changed as, so this is the new form of the integral. Now clearly this z will be cancelled with this z, and finally we will have z square plus 1 divided by z power 4 plus 1 dz, and this 2 is shifted right here. Now divided the numerator and denominator with z square. Finally we will get 1 plus 1 over z square divided by z square plus 1 over z square. And then now we will make another substitution. Now we will suppose z minus 1 over z equals to t, and after differentiating we will get 1 plus 1 over z square into dz equals to dt. Now taking this equation and scale both sides, we will get z square plus 1 over z square minus 2 equals to t square, because we have to find the value of z square plus 1 over z square. That's why we are taking the square on both sides for this equation. And then now we will shift this minus 2 on right hand side. It will be t square plus 2, and after substituting these values and this integral, we will get another integral of the form. After the substitution, the integral will be transformed like this, and here taking square root and square of this 2, and this integral can be solved with this formula 1 over 8 tangent inverse t over a, and here a is square root 2. Now we will make backward substitution, where we will put t equals to z minus 1 over z. Now we will use this solution, and this integral can be transformed as I equals to 2 over square root 2 into tangent inverse of z minus 1 over z divided by square root 2 plus c. Now taking the LCM of this part, you will get, and this can be transformed as square root 2, because a over square root a is equals to square root a. So this can be changed as square root 2, and now taking LCM, this will be transformed as z square minus 1 divided by z, and we will shift this z with the denominator, and you will get square root 2 multiplied by this z plus c. Now we will replace this z with the square root x minus 1 and z square with x minus 1. This equation will be transformed with this square root 2 tangent inverse x minus 1. This is on the basis of z square x minus 1, and this minus 1 square root 2, and this z is replaced with square root x minus 1. Now minus 1 it will be minus 2, and multiply this 2 in this square root, you will get square root 2x minus 2 plus the constant of integration c, and this is the final answer. Thank you.